Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarapura. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is about skeletal tissue, class 11th zoology. ये skeletal tissue जो है ये दूसरा पार्ट है कनेक्टिव टिश्यू का. skeletal tissue पहले हमने कनेक्टिव टिश्यू पढ़ा है, इसका दूसरा है skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue, it consists of cartilages, bones. It is matrix is dense and mineralized. Cartilage, it has abundant matrix of firm material, the chondrin, protein, and chondromucoids. The matrix is secreted by chondrocytes. In matrix a large number of extracellular, जो इनके मैट्रिक्स है इसमें large number of extracellular fibers are also found. Extracellular fibers are also found in the matrix. That is blunty angular cartilage cells and occur in clusters of 2 to 4 cells in small space. ल्यूसीना, स्मॉल स्पेस जिसको ल्यूसीना बोलते हैं, इनके बीच में होता है ल्यूसेन. स्मॉल स्पेस एक छोटी स्पेस है, इनके बीच में यानी जो in matrix a large number of extracellular fibers are also found. Chondroblasts are large blunty angular cartilage cells and occur in clusters of 2 or 4 cells in small space. Lucina scattered in matrix, ये matrix में है scattered, इस तरह scattered like in the matrix of the cell. Scattered type. Cartilage is externally covered by pericardium, which has a thin layer of cells beneath. This layer adds a new material to the cartilage on periphery only. Therefore, the growth of cartilages is unidirectionally only. Unidirectionally, growth of cartilage is unidirectionally. ये unidirectionally इसकी growth है, is externally covered by pericardium, which has a thin layer of cells beneath. This cell layer is add new materials to the cartilage on periphery only. Therefore, the growth of cartilage is unidirectionally only. अब जो एक cartilage है, इसके 4 types हैं, और 4 types, इसके 4 किस्म हैं. यानी जो skeletal tissue है consists of cartilage and bones. हम कार्टिलेज पढ़ते हैं, यथ वन टकटे कड़िज कशर पे. यह खास कर लंगस लंग्स पे सह पे किन तथ मज सोन फैरेक्स अत यह बे अक्सर यह पेरिकार्डियम हार्ट तम जाए यह नबर कन कवरिंग तथ जान यह सह नरम अड़िज कार्टिलेज वन. These are 4 types, 4 types. Number 1, hyaline cartilage. आगे hyaline cartilage. Number 2, white fibrous cartilage. White fibrous cartilage. Number 3, yellow fibrous cartilage. Number 4, calcified cartilage. ये 4 किस्म च आसान इस गोड़े को hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage, it has a translucent. Hyaline cartilage, it has a translucent homogeneous bluish green matrix collagen fibers are different. Observe, this cartilage is flexible, elastic and compressible and found in sternal ribs, trachea, bronchi, rings, laryngeal walls and nasal septum. Hyaline cartilage आसान, it has a translucent. अगर इस पूरी लाइट कुन ये त्राऊं ये cartilage अड़िज ये मुझे कमाई लाइट है आतिस कमाई हो यूज आसान ये तीन अड़िज इसके जैसे हम अगर इस कागज भीगा हुआ पेपर लेंगे अगर इस कागज पे त्राओ या न्यूज़ पेपर अस पे थोड़ा तेल त्राओ खन तेल ऑयल ये अत वन ट्रांसल्यूसेंट ये कमाई बोल इथे कन ये हाइलिन कार्टिलेज ब्लिश ग्रीन मैट्रिक्स ब्लिश ग्रीन मैट्रिक्स collagen fibers are different. Observe, collagen fiber are different. Observe collagen fibers. This cartilage is flexible. Flexible. अगर इस कुछ साथी होश करो निश वापस बे that is flexible. और शको कुछ साथी मुड़ित तिशा ये elastic and compressible. Elastic तिशा compressed हकोन ऐसे करे and is found in sternal ribs. Sternum मच आसान ये sternal ribs. इम्ज़न ribs जैसे मैंने आसान trachea and bronchi, rings, laryngeal walls and nasal septum. ये सुन nasal septum आत्मच जैसा hyaline cartilage. Number 2 जो white fibrous cartilage. इमक दूसरा part white fibrous cartilage, that is it has a little matrix and large number of white collagen fibers. Ach आसान कमाई matrix sir. It has a little and large number of white collagen fibers bundle. Collagen fiber bundle collagen fibers white color must. It is found in intervertebral disc much present intervertebral disc where it acts as a cushion of shock absorber. Cushion or shock absorber vertebral column where it acts as a cushion or shock absorber. It is also found in pubic. This is where it helps in partition. Pubic synapses. White fibrous cartilage. Impati yellow fibrous cartilage. Yellow fibrous cartilage. It has abundant network of yellow fibers. It has an abundant network of yellow fibers. Yellow colored fibers in addition to white fibers. Yellow fibers and in addition white fibers cartilages yellow elastic cartilage. In white it is more elastic and flexible. It is more elastic. It is very elastic, compressible, flexible than in other cartilage. Baaki urgent khotchi zyada compressible, flexible. Baaki cartilage khot. It is found in pinna. This kandas pinna shasa. Tawai show is kan practical sakam bulit. Agar asit panun kan phero kan chaka usen pinna shasa. Kan atman shasa cartilage and external auditory canal. This external ear artery canal atman shasa cartilage shasa mojud. Ear in the ischian tube you shasa kanas under kin middle part tatman shasa epiglottis and tip of nose. Besh asan tip of nose pet. In the yik cartilage asan yellow fibrous cartilage imin jayan. Image combs imin jayan. Beach part D. Yet is one calcified cartilage. Calcified cartilage. You store him as calcified cartilage. It has a calcium salt deposited in the matrix, which makes it very hard and inelastic. It has a calcium salts. Atma asan calcium salts. Calcium salts present in and deposited in the matrix. Imkin matrix matrix that is calcium salts. Calcium salts present, which makes it very hard. This is hard. It can home elastic, compressible. This cartilage is hard. It is very hard and inelastic. Basically, it is inelastic. Inelastic. It is found in suprascapula of frog, vertebrae of sharks. Don't jayan chasan ye. Of chasan ye frog. You suprascapula. Scapula of frog chasan. Scapula of frog. Bitch asan ye. Vertebrate of shark. You shark must teach asan. And this vertebrates must asan. Using your tourim cartilage. Padha yathis manachu. Calcified cartilage. तो वह ज्यादा गार्डन में कैल्शियम ज्यादा तादाद अहम कार्टिलेज कुंड बनियामुत शार्कन वर्टिबल कंड अत मे तवे अत मे कैल्शियम हम 4 टाइप कार्टिलेज पढ़न यानी स्केलेटल टिश्यू अत मे कंसिस्ट ऑफ कार्टिलेज एंड बोन कार्टिलेज पढ़ हाइलियन कार्टिलेज दोम पढ़ वाइट फाइब्रस कार्टिलेज त्रीम येलो फाइब्रस कार्टिलेज या येलो इलास्टिक कार्टिलेज वनोस तोम पढ़ कैल्सिफाइड कार्टिलेज कार्टिलेज अमुक दोम हिस्स बोन इंशाल्लाह बोन पढ़ो नेक्स्ट वीडियो बोन पढ़ो इंशाल्लाह तथ में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बोन क्या गो ये बोन कत प्रेजेंट यह नेक्स्ट वीडियो आज वीडियो को इंशाल्लाह अख्ताम आज का वीडियो अख्ताम हुआ इंशाल्लाह थैंक यू अस्सलाम वालेकुम।